New at 11, a new law legalizing hemp in the Sunshine State is raising some questions and concerns by law enforcement agencies.
Policies around handling hemp cases, which is marijuana without THC, have led the Florida Sheriff's Association to send out an alert detailing the challenges that this new law may pose. Our Shelby Danielson's breaking down the controversy tonight and what it could mean for you.
What you can't see right now is the very thing officers often use to detect drugs in a vehicle: smell. Especially in a traffic stop. When there is a big drug bust, there is often a canine involved. But ever since Florida voters passed a law to legalize hemp, canines are finding their skill sets in a predicament because it looks identical to marijuana.
It makes the police's job harder. It makes the prosecution's job much harder.
Michael Renka is a local criminal defense attorney.
They're limited because they don't have that huge tool that they've relied on for decades.
In the thousands of cases he's tried, he says the majority of them stem from police searching a car due to an odor, like this one, for example.
Police will use that tool to kind of piggyback the investigation into other aspects. They may search a vehicle and they may search all over it, and whatever they find is essentially fair game.
The Florida Sheriff's Association, or FSA, issued an alert in response to the law. It says in part, quote, additional factors aside from a canine alert may be needed to establish probable cause. There are field testing kits available from the Syndicate Alliance that can test for hemp, but validation of their reliability is still pending. The St. Johns County Sheriff's Office tells First Coast News, our agency has not made any drastic changes due to this legislation, pending clarification from the legislature. We are, however, using discretion where necessary and whenever dealing with marijuana contact and or arrest.
The law is not unclear. The law is very clear. It's my opinion that they're slowly realizing that their job just got a whole lot harder.
Right now, the Florida Sheriff's Association is still working with all involved parties, including sheriffs across the state, on exactly how to administer this new law in judicial courts. For First Coast News, I'm Shelby Danielson on your side.